decal blues got you down? Hey kid, over here. Yes, you, come over here. Those problems getting to you? Are you on the verge of giving up? Do you think basic calculus won't matter in your future career? Well, think again, because basic calculus never leaves your side, ever. But don't worry, it won't always be unsolvable problems. In fact, it can even be fun, right guys?
In accountancy, basic calculus helps people redirect their clients' businesses in order to produce a maximum yield without spending too much. Do you want to be an accountant someday? Well, here, your weaknesses can become your greatest strengths. You can definitely solve derivatives with your eyes closed. For example, if a company sells X balloons per year for Y pesos per balloon, the demand equation for these balloons is given by Y is equal to 10 minus 0.001x. At what price should the company charge per piece in order to maximize revenue? What is the maximum revenue? Now take note, the revenue is the number of balloons the company wants to sell times the price. So, substituting the value of P, we have x times 10x minus 0.001x squared. Taking the derivative, we have 10 minus 0.002x equals 0. Further, solving for the value of x, we get 5,000, which then represents the maximum production yield the company can make. To get the price the company should sell to make maximum revenue, we replace x with 5,000 in the equation, which then gives us a price of 5 pesos per piece. Therefore, balloons should be sold at 5 pesos each to maximize the revenue. To get the maximum revenue, we can simply plug in the number of pieces to be produced into 10x minus 0.001x squared, which then yields a maximum revenue of 25,000 pesos.
Amazing, right? But wait, there's more.
In the field of medicine, basic calculus literally helps you save lives. It helps magnify and quantify the smallest detail in your body. Don't you find that interesting? Well, you don't have time to close your eyes in calculus or in medicine, but you can solve related rates equations in a flash. For example, suppose patient X has been infected with a ringworm on his arm, and after a week without treatment, has increased in diameter with a rate of 1 over 20 centimeters per hour. Determine the rate of decrease in the area at the instance when the diameter is measured at 1.5 centimeters. Now, since the rate of increase of the ringworm's area is being asked in relation to the decrease in its diameter, its area formula gives us the equation of A equals pi times D over 2 squared, where D is the diameter of the ringworm and A is the area. The next step is to differentiate the equation with respect to t to obtain dA over dt equals pi d over 2 times dt quantity d before the diameter increases, in which dt quantity d is equal to 1 over 20 centimeters per hour. We can substitute the values like so. Thus, we have 0.118 centimeters per hour.
Think you've had enough? Wait till you hear this guy.
Who would have thought that basic calculus is still applied in bartending? It may not seem like much, but the application is still there. Let's say you ordered a glass of milk to be served in a martini glass for that extra flair.
Now as I pour the cool liquid down, how fast is the milk rising at a given position? Let's say that the volume changes by 1 cubic centimeter per second and the radius of the top of the glass is 10 centimeters, which also corresponds to a height of 10 centimeters. We can apply implicit differentiation here. but instead of x and y, we have volume, radius, and height. Now we have to define the equations given. Next step is to take the derivative of all equations. After that, we solve for the equations. Let's add a little twist. How is r prime changing at h equals 4 centimeters? It's easy, I promise. All you have to do is remember that the radius and the height have a 1-to-1 ratio. Therefore, and there you have it.
Didn't that just blow your mind? Still think basic calculus isn't important in your future career? That's right, because the all-new Basic Calculus book will not only develop your math skills, but also pave your dreams. Buy one now! Available in selected bookstores nationwide. Per DTI NCR permit number 0590339164 series of 2022.
Three, two.